Alright, we're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna draw something I've been seeing all the time. Anyone ever see these numbers? I've been seeing them a lot. Every day. Especially this number. That's the one I see the most. 5, 5, 5. It's usually in the PM. Sometimes AM. Let's slap it down. There, we got a head in there. Nice. Looking good, looking good. Let's add another face on this side. Now I'm doing one of my famous drawings. This is the old-fashioned pig dog. There's the pig dog. Anyone remember the pig dog? Well guys, I think it's done. What do you think? Pretty cool. It's on a frame. I forgot to press record, but I'm working on this too. It's like a cat and I might put a bird up there. I'm gonna go on it with some black marker. My painter's marker. I gotta put it on. Slap it down. And I also have the background done for this one. So it's pretty damn cool. We got these two going. More to come, stay tuned. So guys, I went ahead and did the other one. Sorry I forgot to film it again. But I'll show you, I got a house Lincoln over here. Just chill. Just be chill. A ladder. A fish, a bird head. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I'm not sure if I'm gonna add any more to it yet, but we'll see.
I don't know what to say to you. 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 I don't know what to say.
What do you guys think? Leave your comments below, and I'll see you next time on Live with RAEART. Little GoPro segment. Just throwing in there. What do you guys think? I dig it. Alright, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Hit that bell button too while you're there. Alright. Excellent.